Okay guys, I know I haven't been online or making videos for a while, and that's because I've been kind of looking into building a PC this whole summer. What I'm going to show you is me building my PC for the first time. I've never built one before, but this is what I got. So I got my case. I did a few installations first, got the case out of there. So this is my AMD Phenom 2 processor Black Edition. That's like 300. This is 200. This is 8 gigs of RAM, DDR3. This is an ASUS motherboard with the Extreme series. It has capabilities for the USB 3.0, and my other stuff, which I did not purchase, but the whole thing was around $900, is well, this I purchased. It's the case that was about $90. It comes with, it's a really nice case by Antec, and it came with a little manual on how to install stuff. And right in the back you have one fan there. I'm gonna open this up, so I'll pause that, open it up, and show you the inside. I'll be putting the model number in the description if anyone wants to know. But this is the case side, and I'll pull that away. So at the moment I'm not going to be running any graphics cards in this system. So I have this from an older case. Is a 430 watt power supply, and I have a 60 gig hard drive to install a new copy of Windows 7 on. So that's all I've installed, so that's there. And I have one fan and two fans in the front, one up here, one there. On the side you can access them from the front there, I think you can see that. One on the top, right up there if you can see, and one right here where I'm touching. So onto my motherboard of choice. I did slightly explain that. I'll pull this out. So what we have here is the motherboard. Comes with some instructions, installation disc, a little sticker in there, probably to put on the desktop, SATA cables, card, and more SATA cables, or wait, yeah, those are SATA cables still, IDE cables, I don't know what that's for. Speaker. Okay, that's weird. Back panel, and the board underneath is right there. So I get two 3.0 USBs on this, two of those for Crossfire. And yeah. Now if you can see, these are all USBs. This is some type of connector. This is the 24 pin for power. And here's the 4 pin for the other power. I have 4 slots for RAM, 2 other card things, so I can put, I guess, an audio card or something in those slots. Looks like a nice motherboard. Has VGA and HDMI and DVI out on the side there. I don't want to touch it without destaticifying myself. So it has about 4 USBs just coming out of the board, and then there's 2 USB 3.0, the rest are 2.0. As probably the standard. So, okay. Moving on. Okay, so while I wasn't recording, I took out the CPU. Anyways, it says AMD Phenom 2. I know this camera is HD and it's a basic one that I bought a few years ago, so it doesn't focus. Probably gonna cut out all parts. So okay. So I went into the instructions and I'll try and show you this. As I move the latch, the whole system is going to move like about a millimeter if you have this motherboard. So you're going to want to put it up completely. Now I'm going to de-static myself just a few times with cases. Okay. And I'm just going to so that's the CPU, and it looks like it goes gonna want to be very careful here. And there we are. So it's all in like that. That wasn't too hard. I thought it would be a little bit harder. And you just press that down and it's latched in. So that was pretty easy. So you just want to make sure you lift up that completely, plop it down. I actually did it live in front of you, so it's not that hard to install a CPU like that. Now I heard that I might need to do some special adhesive in order to so you've seen that I just put on the processor there. So it did come with a little glue adhesive thing that you need on your CPU. And okay, so this is the last part of this. I'm showing you my PC. It's all hooked up together. Got it working on my actual monitor. It's 20-inch, it's actually a TV. So we'll just check that out right now. It's booting up my PC, so you might hear that. So now the case came with fans with blue LEDs, so it's kind of cool. So I'm just moving the flashlight that I have around so you can kind of see it. So I have two USBs up there. Firewire, audio, all my cables are connected. Down here I have the installed disk drive so I can install the software. And I have a card reader there. So that's my system at the finish from parts that I've got on. As you can tell, I took them out of this machine right here. There's like slots missing on it. Just kind of moving the flashlight around because it's kind of dark. And that's my full system. So, yeah.